Wow, that was one workout.
God. So hot. I wish I had water.
You want water?
Why is this empty?
You didn't have to show that, you know. You could have recycled that. You could have recycled that.
You told me earlier.
Let's go sit.
Recycling is just useless.
Whoa, this place is so dirty. Oh. Sir, is this yours?
Excuse me?
Is this yours?
Oh, yes.
Oh. Whoa. Wait, why are you picking up rubbish?
Oh, because it's my living. I pick up rubbish in my living.
But why?
Because it's a long story.
Well, can you tell us?
At the time,
Yeah.
it all started a year ago. And this is why I collect recyclable rubbish. To protect the nature and the health of people. Now, I want you to close your eyes.
Why? I can't see.
That's the point. Close the eyes and see what I see.
Yashreen? He's gone. Go. Use it for your work.
I cannot. Continue my legacy.
What? Continue my legacy? Where are you going?
Come on, my psychic.
What? What? Take your bag!
Hey, where's my glasses?
Your glasses.
Are you blind?
Okay, I'm sorry, fine, I lied to you guys. Just wanted you guys to pick up your own rubbish. You know how tiring it is just to pick up your rubbish on the floor? It's mind-breaking.
They see me rolling, they hating.
Ayo! What is this?
They hating, patrolling and trying.